ke North Liberty Higher Secondary School Juai. Sajisin de wanra buram yang ko igari lom jaintia hewa hagarisol HSSLC arja arausan. Da MK arngut ko yo opsi aga thup top 10 ke science stream ha news nem. Kawin ki to agarisa A Christine Suting ko yo 5th position de yo sospa no phawi marks we distinction hangin rudely subject ko man ga khon whiteboard so lang wa ka merin Suting ki wa sa halom priat Juai. Karisa hawa A klam de A khuble ga yo blai wa ki ba hayung ha sem ko na do ka bayu pa ke payu parau pa pun mai kamjo le ye ka skur wa ki sikai dai lang principal wa da wa ki lat ki luti de pen biang i mkam yo he usan ki wa ye ya luti ki sikai dong ko wa ini man ko ikur khu blai ur pun po ya ka chakani ka thong nei ba ka em ki po artin ko tang wa oblai em bai usur wa ka wa de pun chlur ga le ye ki wi khana wa ngai ha blai dai liang upa ga de ku blai wa sang ngu yu blai de ong le wa ko khonu to ko mi not wa kam ga yung de irap ki kat wa ye wa de wa bo le yo pha ka skur ki wa kit khya wa ya luti ba wa e bo de im sin da kun tu ya ki wi ki man bai man pa le wa e ka chan ki khon ki kamo pun kamo wa ga Ressa Haka SSLC arja araule de yok wa kerdan 11 position.
Hello everyone, my name is Ressa A Christine Suting, and I thank God for He has given me this opportunity to be standing here, and He has blessed me so much, me and my family, especially my school, and I thank Him for He has never leaving me, He has never forsaken me throughout all my shortcomings. And if I were to say how I got here, it was purely by His grace. I have doubted myself many times, but my teachers have helped me. My friends, my family have supported me, and most importantly, God has never left me. And throughout this journey, He has always been there with me. And that's all I'd say. And I want to encourage each and every student out there to work hard and never stop believing and never stop having faith in God. That's all I'd say. So first of all, I thank God and I thank my parents for their support, and my family, especially both my parents, my brothers, my grandfather, my uncles, my aunts, and most importantly, the school, my teachers and our sir principal, who have provided us with one of the best facilities, the best opportunities to grow. And I thank my teachers for their relentless efforts and their guidance. Without their efforts, we wouldn't be here as students. And I thank them, and I thank God most importantly. It was through His wisdom I've come here. So thank you.
Kublai subo ni pi I dap ini jing siang komen wat jing siang ngo sekali yo blai peringkat wada ya udah kerku yang ni kon yang I adu udah ye ko poi yang ni ka benta adu udah poi yang ni ka thong te I le dap jing siang komen le wa ka na ka hen liang ko kon wa yo hi wa ka man ko wa minot ko kit kia I kamram yang ka I kam giliang na I kam gebe pa I leliang yang I ya kat iwa ye wala yang I ya support ya I baika surup lang wa jing pelai ya bot baik bot renti mo wa jing pelai yang ke skor kam tipi na skor na liang ke skor na jing ya khmat yang sir principal kam jo le we kino hikai tong gi bi subject man gi kit kia ki to man gi guide ki wa kinong ki wat bor mainstream wat pen doyap hadu wo ye kan ki kon yang I kam jo le wa ki pra kelas yang ka le wo ye ki le bha te I na liang ki kam gi be ki pa I le ite don hi ye bot bai bot ti mo ye wan na liang ke skor da ong gi I kat wo ye wala I de le ye te tanga kan tu le ki man bai man pa la wa yo support hi ge jing em kam yang ki kon I te don hi le I benta I kam ka be gam pa I te don hi benta le